Hey guys, it's Jeff. Today I'm gonna be reading some comments that people left on my videos. So, let's just start from the top. Um, some Donkus says, "Fantastic review, my man. Keep 'em coming." Thanks. Some Donkus says, "What a beautiful man." Thanks. Some Donkus says, "Do a meat clown review." I can't review my own work. I believe I said this before in a previous video, but yeah. Okay, that typical slimy. Heck, Catcher in the Rye. Overrated ass book. Edit. He talked to the hooker instead of doing anything because of the book regulations and standards at the time. Okay, I didn't know that. Thank you for telling me that, slimy. Edit 2. It is banned in certain school districts and the Catholic school, which in turn makes it banned in most Catholic schools. First of all, nobody likes the Catholics. That's all I have to say. Yeah. Pookie Pookie says, "Keep up the work, son." Thanks. That typical slimy again says, "I only drink water." In quotations, drank Monster in the previous video. I said I drink it occasionally, I believe. Like, I don't drink it all the time. Frank Gutowski, sorry, says, "Essential oils contain harmful VOCs. That is, volatile organic chemicals, if you didn't know. Don't inhale toxic fumes from essential oils." He sent a link and it leads to a 404 page. So, yeah. Then I said, "Thank you for making your life's work to warn us, sir." And then he says, it's by no means a pleasant task, but someone has to do it. You have such a knack for experimentation and keen observation that you should consider reviewing some of the natural cures that are so popular on YouTube. Okay, I might put that into consideration. Okay, that typical slimy again. Alternate title. This is on the essential oils video. Alternate title: Jeff rips massive clouds while downing cough syrup without needing it. That's pretty funny. Because I didn't need it. I did not need the NyQuil. And I didn't rip massive clouds. It was the essential oils diffuser, bud. Okay. Fowler Dylan says, "I am satisfied with this consistent quality content." That was a month ago. I'm not consistent anymore. But thank you. That typical slimy again on the Mr. Incredible Bank video says, "Thought someone vaped at first." Well, first of all, it's not a vape. Because vapes are bad for you. And they're addictive. Bad. Yeah. Jump into conclusions. It's very bad. Okay. That typical slimy. Everybody listen to Drive and Follow from Halo 2. Dig is also pretty popular. While not one of my personal favorites, Incubus is still dope though. I agree with your opinion. Yeah. Yeah, Halo 2. The Halo 2 soundtrack. If you listen to it front to back, it'll make you better. It'll make you a better person. Okay. So I made a painting in that one video with the scissors SpongeBob thing. Macy Cone says, "Great product, better review, heart." Thank you. Okay, bruh says 12 out of 10. Guessing that's on the painting that I created. Thank you. Okay, Peridot. Pretty sure this is the bot. Not gonna lie. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely a bot because it says impressive video in square in boxed parentheses. Yeah. Okay, Moivo Akoma. Painting 8 out of 10. Thank you, Moyo. I appreciate that. Okay. Review free trial WinRAR, please. I don't have a screen recording thing. It's kind of hard for me to do that. Yeah. Anyway, that's all the comments. Comment more if you want to be in a video. I will put all of them in a video.